Hey guys, thanks for watching another video of Southard Arms. So I do have a video of me taking apart and putting back together a Savage Model 99, the full disassembly, all that kind of good stuff. Had quite a few comments about how to get the carrier and the rotator magazine back into the firearms. So today I'm going to be showing you guys that. If you guys need any other instructions on how to take it apart, check out the previous video. Let's get into it. Alright, so once you have the bolt put all back together, what you're going to do is take the brass, hold this part, and you're going to rotate it. So start on 0, kind of hold your thumb there as a placement, right? And then you're going to rotate it how you would load it until that 0 comes all the way back around. Alright, and now here's the fun part. It'll probably slip on you a few times, you'll get it, but essentially what you're going to do, you're going to stick back in, and there's a hole back here that this part rests in. You're going to take the fin and you're going to make sure it stays on this side while you're holding this piece to keep the tension still. I don't know if that makes any sense or not, but here we go. So you're going to hold that, and I usually find it kind of, oh god, this is difficult. So the brass punch will kind of help hold it in place, right, until you get it in there a little bit, and then you could maneuver that spot into the hole that you need. And I'll do this from another angle so you kind of see what I'm talking about. Make sure you got your brass punch to kind of help control it. I'm trying to work around the camera here too, so it's going to be a little difficult. Get it in to where that fin stays on that one side. Okay, and then the fin will come and catch up on this mechanism right here. Then I use the brass punch to kind of move it down into that hole. Bam. Now remember, while you're doing this, you want to keep that part in front of the brass still. So as I'm kind of holding it in and maneuvering it, I'll pinch it down like this to kind of help keep it in place. It's going to slip on you. You're going to have to attempt this a few times until you get it down. You know, but that helps out. And when done correctly, you'll have the 0 sitting right there. You could go through, you can see that it moves properly as you load. Alright, last part. You're going to put this piece back in. This hole is going to slide over the back of that carrier. Make sure that you keep pressure backwards on that carrier. You know, hold it, push it back in like that while you're sliding this onto it, because it will pop it out if you're not careful. And you have to start all over again. So get that into the groove. Push it back. Try and make this to where you can see it. Sorry, my hand's gonna be in the way for a second. Oh, come on. It's a weird angle for me to work at with the camera right here. There So just to kind of show you from this side, so right there is the back of the carrier, and this is that guy right there. So that's putting the carrier back in properly to your Savage 99. Then continue the rest of the assembly as seen on my other video. Alright, so that's going to be it for today, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment. I'll try and answer them the best that I can for you. Until next time, please like and subscribe. Have a good one. Bye.